Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, April the 19th, 2022. And we have here 4 puzzles left. The first one I have already solved, the 2 stars. We have a 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars. Binary and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But first, Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. But first, this will be number 4429. 4429. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here the 4 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos. We have here 2 threes, 2 fours. Correction, 3 fours, 1 5, 2 sixes, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 1 8, and 4 nines. So the 1, the 2, and the 9 are in majority. All right, let me check for the 1. Now we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, how about the 2 then? 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. No, I cannot do anything with the 2. How about the 9 then? 9 9 9 9. Yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 3 3. 3 3. Let me scan 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8 8. We have a pair. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9 here, so the 9 goes there. All right, so 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. The 2 boxes. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the 3rd row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see there another 4, so no 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 4, 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. We have here 6 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, here, or there in the first column. Here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row, the middle row. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2, 2. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about 3, 6, 5, 5. I'm thinking 7, 6, 6. No. 7. Need a 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this row for number 8. 8. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I'm thinking 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 could be everywhere. So 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. Okay. All right. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3, it goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 4 number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those again. Okay. Then 7. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 6, 7, and 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, and the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number. I believe the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers here. The 2 and the 7 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. 7, 2, 1, 1. Okay. 7, 2, and 5. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, no need 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, now only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. 50 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? Wrong indication, publisher, wrong indication. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. We have here the 783, 783, 465, 465, and 219. 219. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No pairs. A complete with all the numbers. Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. All right. No pairs. No triple pairs or double pairs. All right. Well, thank you for watching again, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Binary puzzle, tectonic with 4 stars, and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.